today we're at the Science Museum again because one day we just couldn't finish it all. So we're so happy to have you with us today, and let's go explore.
Carbeli!
Whoa, look at this really big train here. We're gonna explore that big train, but first, let's go look at the small trains over here. This is such a really neat train track. Look at all these trains in here. Look at this one. Look at this one right here. Look how big this train is.
I'm so hungry.
We're gonna race one more time. Once and for all, pal. Here we go. Ready? All right. Push the button. Push the button. Here we go. Ready? Go! 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 Oh, you won! Good race. Give me 5.
No, we both won.
Oh, we both? Was it a tie?
Yeah.
Give me 5.
Whoa, running.
Good race. That's the end of this video. We had so much fun at the Science Museum with you. We're gonna go visit the toy shop and then say goodbye for now, right? What was your favorite thing today, pal? Eating. Eating was his favorite thing today. So we're gonna say bye for now, go get some toys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Be sure to subscribe to our page. Bye. Do you want to race real fast, Carsten?
Yeah.
You feeling pretty good about this? You feel pretty confident? Here we go. Here we go. Now we are entering the side of the museum with space stuff. There is Saturn and Jupiter back there, I believe, somewhere. And all this really cool space stuff. Space travel stuff. There's a planetarium. There's planet Earth right there. Hello, planet Earth. That's where we live. We live right here. Planet Earth. It's spinning.